judge. Kwasekuqaleni ngangeke ngizakuqala nje ukuthandana nawe. Ngangeke nje ngize ngivumele ushayivuma inhliziyo yami ukuthi ngizithande kumbi kwanganjalo. Kodwa ngakwazi ukuthi ngiwamukele ngayo yonke indlela wawuyona. Ngazi kahle ukuthi nayo nemali wadlula kubayo kanjani, but then angazi ngize nginayo yonke.
I cry myself to sleep lately. You the one who made me, you can break me, but I just need you to save me. Now I'm drifting away. Got an angel where you were. Now you never read a place. I need you, show me the way. Yeah, spirit, please retain. Yeah, now I'm in vain, cause I lost half of my spirit, and I lost all of my faith. Losing you, so I know my fears. Baby, I can wipe your tears. This for you, I had to tell the truth about us. Truth about love, truth about feeling like you won't cloud nine. You always be mine, no lie. They say love conquers all, that's just a phrase. I remember all the times when I wipe your tears, but still, even if you cry, you got an angel face. And we couldn't fight fate, cause it doesn't fight fair. We both loved each other, but that's not the case, cause our beliefs took us to a different place. Couldn't adjust, so we had to part ways. Don't you get it twisted, I know you need me and you love me like I do. I stick to my promises tight like glue. You left me in the winter, nigga, had to be strong. I remember I was studying at the back in my room. I sent you a sweet text, then you broke the bond. You said you don't know if what we're doing is right. In the face of God, a part of me was lost. Felt like I lost my soul, lost my gold, lost my Halle Berry. She's so perfect, makes me wanna get married. Maybe someday, but the more I try to catch up, seems like you're fading. But I still believe me and you can be. Just put a little faith in me. I just need one blessing. I just need my guidance to extract this pain away and exchange some images. I just need my guidance. I just need my guidance to extract this pain away and exchange some images. I just need my guidance. I know we have a lot of things that are in common, like the love and the support for each other. You're the one for me and everybody knows it. We never really did it. I'm in the sex fam now, I never really hit it. We saw a different pic stuck up on a ton of vision. I stood with you stood with me in different situations. You took my mind to clouds, my kind of elevation. Took my heart to cloud nine, my kind of meditation. No way, it's a medication. Their motivations, I tell you, they were so perfect. With you, life ain't the reason.